Unit 3, Lesson 7, Practice Problems. Number 6. A car has 15 gallons of gas in its tank. The car travels 35 miles per gallon of gas. It uses 1/35 of a gallon of gas to go 1 mile. How far can the car travel with 15 gallons? Show your reasoning. How much gas does the car use to go 100 miles? Alrighty, I see lots of stuff going on. A car has 15 gallons of gas in its tank. The car travels 35 miles per gallon of gas. It uses 1/35 of a gallon of gas to go 1 mile. So we're given a few rates. I'm going to make a table. We have gas in gallons. Let me make that look nicer. We have gas in gallons, and we have miles. I'm told that the car travels 35 miles per gallon. That's 1 gallon of gas. And then I'm told that it uses 1/35 of a gallon to go 1 mile. These are 2 unit rates. 2 unit rates. They both show the same situation. To get this number, we did 35 divided by 35 is 1, and we did 1 divided by 35. Oops. 1 divided by 35. And we know that 1 divided by 35 is the same as 1/35. Remember that this guy here, we've seen it used in fractions. This is a fraction. That is a divisor bar. It means the same thing as division. 1 divided by 35 is 1/35. So we have 2 different unit rates. 35 miles per gallon of gas and 1/35 gallon of gas per mile. I guess I'll say A, but number 1 over here, this guy, says how far can the car travel with 15 gallons? Show your reasoning. So we have 15 gallons, and we want to know what goes here. So we can use this one or this one. And remember, we're using multiplication or division. I personally don't know off the top of my head 1/35 times what equals 15. I don't know. That would take lots of challenging math that's not necessary. I'm all about challenging math, but not if it's not necessary. But I do know that 1 times 15 equals 15. If a car can go 35 miles per gallon, and we have 15 gallons, we're multiplying by 15. So we're multiplying both of these by 15. 1 times 15 is 15. 35 times 15. 35 times 15. I know that we've seen partial products a lot. So we have 15 down here. We can do 5 times 5. We can do 5 times 30. And then we have 10. We have 5, and we have 10. So we do 10 times 5, 10 times 30. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 30 is 150. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 30 is 300. Now we add all of these products up. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. That tells us that this car can go 525 miles on 15 gallons of gas. 525 miles on 15 gallons of gas. The next question that we're asked is, how much gas does the car use to go 100 miles? So now we know 100 miles. We're trying to figure out how many gallons of gas. So again, 35 to 100, not easy. 525 to 100, not easy. 1 to 100, I know that 1 times 100 is 100. And since we're using the 1, this is the column, not the column, but the row that we're using. And that's the other unit rate. It takes 1/35 of a gallon to go 1 mile. We're going 100 miles, so we're multiplying the 1/35 times 100. 1/35 times 100 equals 135ths. Now, how can we write this as a mixed number? I know that there's 35 35ths in 1. 35 35ths. I know that 35 times 2 is 70, so there's still another 35 35ths in 100 35ths. 70. I know that I cannot do another 35. 35 plus 35 is 70. If I do 100 minus 70, I get 30. So we have 35 35ths. We have another 35 35ths. And then after that, we have 30 35ths left. Remember that we know that 35 35ths is 1. 35 31st is another 1. And we have 30 35ths left over. So we have 2 and 30 35ths. We can make this even more simplified by finding a number that goes into both 30 and 35. These numbers end in a 5 and a 0, so I know that 5 goes into both of these. So if I divide 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So that took us a long time to get there. But in 100 miles, the car is going to use 2 6/7 gallons of gas. Let's see if I can fit this. 2 6/7 gallons of gas. Boom.